dam removal, we're hoping that more habitat will be available, disease levels will go down, survival of Chinook will go up, and we'll have more fish.
I don't know, the importance of getting this done is for the continued culture of our people, of to be able to fish and have fish to eat and be able to bring your elders and go to the falls and fish traditionally there. And it's just saving the salmon is saving Karuk people.
We don't want these fish to go extinct, but we want more than that. We don't want just to keep them from going extinct. We want an abundance of fish, so tribal fishermen can harvest and eat salmon. Our goal is to have a harvestable surplus of fish.
So when we get some rain in above the dams and stuff and get all that fresh water instead of that bathtub effect up there, we'll have a lot clearer water down this way. It's hopefully going to flourish after that, and the salmon will be able to return home.
I've been protesting to get this done since I was in high school. So I'm 45 now, so it's been a long time, coming. I mean, we used to fish for one night and have 200 fish when I was a kid, and that'd feed us for the whole year, just one night of fishing. And now you're lucky to catch 2 or 3 in a night.
This river's been under siege basically for a few centuries in some form or another, and the removal of these dams since they've been put in since 1920 has been a continuous thing. This is just finishing up what everybody else has started before us.
The dams have been up long enough. They're outdated. Like a lot of things around it, things need to be revamped and changed overall.
I think it's held a pretty similar course to what it was prior to it being, blocked up and made into a reservoir before this. So it's really exciting to see this land come back to life, to see it in its natural canyon state and having that river run through it. And I'm really excited to see these trees crawl their way down into the water. It's crazy to get paid to work for your people, work for your land, work with your people, and then, there's a finished product afterwards. This is like such a drastic change going from 3 massive lakes to a river again. Couldn't ask for a better job.